Guys, it's me Harish. In today's video, let's do the unboxing and have a first look of this new Mi Trimmer 1C. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe and along with that press the bell icon so you guys won't miss out any of my future content. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is the box packaging, guys. In front it says Mi Beard Trimmer 1C and also some of the information also there, so you can read it if you want to know. At the back the price is mentioned, but this is not the exact price. Guys, you can get this at rupees 1000. Okay, now open it up and have a look. As you can see, guys, this is the trimmer itself. And now let's keep the trimmer to the side and have a look what else do we get in the box. As you can see, guys, there's a nice quality soft finish carrying pouch inside the package as well, which is of course a good thing. And now let's keep it to the side and see what else do we get. As you can see, guys, the USB type charging cable also included in the box, so you don't need to carry a separate cable to charge this trimmer. And there is a small brush also included to clean up your blades after your trimming. And now let's take a look at the trimmer. I like the premium look and styling of this trimmer. And then talking about the grip, it has a matte texture which will give you a good grip to hold. And now let's turn it on and see. As you can see, guys, there is a 3 LED lights are there to indicate the battery percentage. At the back, it is a charging port itself. Yes, it is a micro USB type, guys. And now let's close it. The comb are also pre-attached in this trimmer, so you can remove the trimmer after your trimming purpose, just like this. As you can see, pull it out gently, guys. And also it has adjustable 20 length settings to trim your beard, guys, as you can see. And removing and installing the blade is not that much difficult. It is quite easy. You just have to push the blade upward from the back side, as you can see. Do opposite to install the blades. Insert the back side of the blade, aligning the knots, and then push the blade inside. It will make a clicking sound and it is installed. And also Mi claims that it has advanced self-sharpening stainless steel blades. And in terms of charging, it takes around 120 minutes to get fully charged. In a single charge it lasts up to 60 minutes, so you guys don't need to worry about the running time. Another good thing is it has a micro USB type charging cable and charging port, so you don't need to carry a special charger to charge this trimmer. Your mobile charger is enough to charge. And one thing you have to keep in mind, this trimmer doesn't have IP rating, which means it is not waterproof, so be careful about that. I think this is the best trimmer that you can get at this price point. If you have any idea to buy this trimmer, then I will leave the link in the description below, so you can use that link to buy this trimmer. If you find this video is helpful, please like and share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe and along with that press that bell icon so you guys won't miss out any of my future content. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, friends.